Today's video is all about the king of leafy greens. And for me, the king is spinach. Yes. So I love spinach. I love it in cold salads. I love it cooked. I love it in soups. I love it in my smoothies. I mean, anywhere I can have spinach, I will take it because it's so good for you and I just love it. So today we are making a hot spinach salad with a little bit of a Mediterranean flair, a little bit of Italian flair as well. So we're going to bring it all together, and it's going to be a warm, hot spinach salad that you can have with garlic toast. You can have it by itself because normally I just have it by itself without the extra bread. But yes, if you're interested in seeing how I make my spinach salad, then stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the lounge with me, Amanya. I'm so happy that you're here today, and I want to just thank everybody for liking the videos and subscribing and sharing it. The channel is moving along, and I'm really happy to see that because it really does motivate me to continue to put out videos. So I thank you for that.